Intercom Enterprise Engagement Suite App. The pros, the cons. Intercom Enterprise Engagement Suite app is one of the most recognized tools for customer engagement, but is it the right fit for large enterprises? On the positive side, Intercom combines messaging, customer support, and targeted marketing into a single platform. The surprising truth is that its automated workflows can nurture leads, onboard users, and provide personalized support simultaneously. Enterprise features include advanced segmentation, app testing, product tours, and integration with CRM systems, allowing teams to track customer journeys from initial interaction to conversion. Real-time chat and AI-driven responses also ensure timely communication, improving customer satisfaction and retention. However, there are some challenges. Most people get this wrong. They assume Intercom handles all aspects of marketing automation. While powerful, it lacks deep campaign analytics and extensive multi-channel marketing capabilities compared to dedicated platforms. Pricing can also be significant for enterprises, especially when scaling up user seats and automation features. Customization and training may be needed to fully leverage its capabilities. In conclusion, Intercom Enterprise Engagement Suite app is best suited for enterprises focused on personalized customer communication, engagement, and support. Its strengths lie in automation, messaging, and integration with existing CRM systems. When combined with complementary marketing and analytics tools, Intercom can become a cornerstone of an enterprise's customer engagement strategy, helping to convert leads, retain customers, and boost overall satisfaction.